Students, this is the second problem in calculating the moment of forces about a point in an object. So this is the problem statement. Determine the moment of the force acting on a railway signpost as shown in the figure. Here, a force of magnitude 500 Newton is acting at point A with a horizontal inclination of 30 degree. The force can be considered to be acting in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so we can convert this force into two force components. One component along the horizontal direction of magnitude 500 cos 30 and the other one along the negative y-axis direction with the magnitude 500 sin 30. Okay, so now we want to calculate the moment of the force components acting at point A about point O. So generally the forces causing bending moment in the clockwise direction are considered with a negative sign, and the force components causing bending moment in the anti-clockwise direction are considered with the positive sign. Okay, so here considering the first force component, that is 500 cos 30, so about point O, this horizontal force component 500 cos 30 is causing clockwise rotation. Okay, so the sign for the bending moment due to this force component is minus 500 cos 30 into the perpendicular distance between the considered force component 500 cos 30 and point O is given as 5 meter, so into 5. Next, considering the second force component, that is 500 sin 30, so about point O, this 500 sin 30 is giving clockwise rotation for the moment generated. So the sign for the force component producing clockwise rotation to the bending moment is minus 500 sin 30 into the distance between the force component 500 sin 30 and point O is 2 meter. So the net bending moment of the force components about point O is minus 2665.0635 Newton meter. Since the obtained net bending moment value is with the negative sign, the net bending moment is acting about point O in the clockwise direction. That's all about the problem.